Next up on stage, founder of the entertainment platform Crazy, Andrey Bezryadin. Hi, Andrey. The stage is all yours. We are looking forward to becoming more secure. Hi, friends. Can you hear me? Oh, you seem a bit silent, baked in the sun. Give me some noise. Moscow. My name is Andrey, and I'll be speaking about monetization of deepfakes. I've worked for a long time at the intersection of IT and creative marketing. I've seen some stuff, and today I'll tell you how to use this tech for a positive cause. We've heard a lot about how deepfakes can be used in fraud, scams, but generally, a deepfake is when you superimpose someone's face onto someone else in a video. That's what you see. Some cool stuff like that. That's all great, can be used for a lot of good things, but that's not where it originated. It started with porn, hands-free. Then it got borrowed by scammers and fakes. We saw Pope and peculiar places, Elon Musk advertising scam coins, and people need to be protected against this. Then, a more recent development is cloning your voice. Last year, for example, a voiceover artist, Aliona, posted online that Tinkoff took her voice data that she had donated by signing a user agreement. They made a once-off payment to her and then began using these data for other people to generate voice for video games and so on. And she never got paid after. There are upsides to deepfakes that can be used to go viral, to improve audience loyalty, if you engage them properly. It's a new tool for bloggers, influencers, major developers, those who do voiceovers. It's a good thing because payments are automated and transparent. This makes the artists' voices more global, expands their reach. Because once you've uploaded your dataset, you can use it for different languages. If you only speak Russian, the AI can take your emotion, intonation, and translate it into French or Spanish or any other language. For example, there is this case with Metallica, where they took a Russian song and had Metallica perform it. The frontman doesn't speak Russian, but it turned out great.
And this all creates a new market with the new assets. Some would create data sets, some would do production, some would create special tools. So data sets become one of the important assets to be sold. So this is a new vertical for ads and for the brands. And most probably, it will be organized this way soon. Out of the things you can do for your audience, you can, for example, say that if the deepfake with my face gets 1 million views on YouTube, the person who has uploaded it gets 1 million rubles, or some price, or somewhere else where it's easier to automate. So the tech is becoming better and better. It's the speed is increasing. So instead of being afraid of those technologies and deepfakes, we do need to make it like memes, to be easy to use. Because now there's a lot of complications. You need software, you need GitHub, you need to understand the code. ChatGPT has simplified it a little bit, but you need a one-click solution. You upload a picture, video, and everything is done automatically. And we do have such solutions. So the users would get their views. Where do you get money? We have deepfakes. We have an app that generates deepfakes, and on the other side you will see ads. People watch the ads, and the influencers who are providing their photo are getting their money through smart contracts, just for the fact that the deepfakes are being generated, and the service takes a percentage. Also, you can create a challenge. The influencer can say, if you get 1 million views or some creative deepfake, and the person complies with this condition, then, for example, he gets a subscription or merchandise or something useful. If you run it through Telegram, then you can automate the smart contracts, because Ton, the blockchain, and Telegram are heavily integrated. As this all will work on the blockchain, this will work globally, and you'll be able to create your own datasets to donate. They can be used outside Russia, all over the world. So do work on your brand. And do work on your influence. If you want to do the licensing, you can issue NFT and use digital collectibles. Of course, you would need moderation, because the moderators, like people, would be generating something locally, but publicizing only things that are commonly accepted. So to implement this all, we need Face Fusion, Ton, Telegram. Face Fusion is currently the best deepfaker. It works very well with adding your face, even if the person has turned sideways. There's lip sync, colorization, so even the old movies would work well with your face. Like you can take part in movies from the 30s with Charlie Chaplin. It's open source. The code is open. It has MIT license, and it's developing very fast. So what's good is you can generate stuff based on an ordinary processor or on the video cards, and that's why they are so expensive. And there's a lot of things for control, even though you need to make everything one click. Ton is a blockchain by Pavel Durov. And the good thing about it is that it has low transaction costs. It's fast, it's scalable, and very well integrated with Telegram. And of course, Telegram is widely used by everybody, so interface is simple and convenient. There are bots and mini apps like Burger King in Telegram. It's a good example of an application that you can launch within Telegram. So that's exactly the bot you would need in Telegram. Very simple interface. You upload video and a photo, choose a video, and that's it. So let's move forward. Stop holding your hand near your heart and eating the relaxing pills. This can all be a one-click application. Red is the Face Fusion interface. On the left, you would have your ads, and the blue is Telegram, Tone and Telegram. So it's very simple. The person enters the app, authorizes through Telegram and Tone wallet, and the channels that he subscribes to are filtered on the left, especially the ones who have connected to the system. So he or she chooses the face of an admin. In the second line, you see the faces of admins. And also, if you've added the dataset, you can generate the face at another angle or in another setting. And here are the events that the admin has connected. Like Pavel can add, premiums, and other things. And Sam Altman, OpenAI lead, the author of ChatGPT, can provide premium for ChatGPT or other subscriptions. So here's your deepfake inside Telegram, being shared in other channels, and the person who has created it gets the subscription from the event. When the person is chosen, his face would be automatically uploaded here, and the video would be added by the user, where the person would want the face to get. And on the right, you see the result. So what do we need to do to make the payments work? Actually, the admins would need to connect the channel, the username, convert it into the username on the Ton blockchain. Telegram has a function for your username to be connected to the wallet on the Ton blockchain. So if someone took my name, Andrew, and sent Ton to me, I will get them directly, no long addresses. Just direct payments on your Telegram username. The users that are subscribed to your channel, they don't need to look for your wallet. They just see your username and then they can donate to you directly. The way we connect the payments is we go to fragment.com, is a marketplace for Telegram's marketplace. Then when you are authorized there, you have your username names filtered. You can have a lot of channels. You can convert any of them. You press the button, press convert. Actually, there's an auction. You bid for it, and after 6 days, this username becomes a collectible. But it looks the same. So that's the reality. There, on Fragment, you choose which channel to connect your username to. So I connected it to Psy channel and activated. So I would need to see how it's displayed. So I see Psy here, right? And then I just need to go to his wallet in Ton and connect the address to the username. So when you just converted the username, no wallet is connected. And then, now you have the address connected. So after the admin has done this, he can go to Face Fusion and he can press the Switch to Influencer button. And the interface is the same. It's simplified. We authorize through our Ton wallet. We see how many payments we received. And we can choose the username that we would like to use to get the payments to. So after that, you just upload the picture that the person will see when he clicks. And it will be chosen to over here. But if you press checkpoint, then you can add. And you can add events below. If this happens, then this. So people would get stuff for doing funny things. So when we get our payments in credits, a person can, turn them into fiat, in rubles, tenge, or whatever. And the money that you receive over Ton are received to the wallet itself. So if you created them in TonKeeper, then you will probably be better off looking at managing them through TonKeeper. But you also have Ton Explorer for all the transactions. You see how much has been paid to you, when it happened, and you can also use P2P built in the Telegram to turn the Ton back into rubles or any other fiat currency. So if you need any commercial license and you don't want your photo to be used in deepfake generation and you're getting the payments, need some license, and you can use any site like GetGens to generate the license, generate the name, and say that inside this bot, if you have this license in your wallet, you will have the right to enjoy this functionality. So crypto payments are prohibited in Russia. Those are anonymous. Currencies, paying in tokens is not allowed, but you can always, go through the payment processing and other things. So there are options to do it. Content moderation. If someone generates something, that then definitely, different content will be created, and you need to define what is your attitude to it. But in the public domain, if they publish some inappropriate videos, then you need to control it, of course. The costs, it can be processed in the cloud, can be centralized, because there's a lot of GPUs required or processing power. So there are options to use distributed networks where people would donate their compute power and receive payments for it. So you would save on the cloud infrastructure. So here's how it is. Andrey Bezryadin, thanks much. You trained us to create deepfakes and integrate the pictures and even earn money on that. Who will be doing this? Raise your hands. No, people don't want to do it. But at least let's Learn the results of the survey. Okay, friends, definitely, he is the leader. We have nice and positive audience, and that's us. So the evening is getting closer.